Now you will learn how to compare unit fractions using a number line. We are going to compare 1/4 and 1/8 using the number line. So we will locate 1/4 at the top of the number line. We know that half on this number line is about right there. So if I divided this into fourths, there we have 4 equal parts on the top. And this is where 1/4 would be. We can see that from 0 to this point on the number line is 1/4. And now we're going to locate 1/8 on the bottom of the number line. So here I'm going to start with half again. And the thing with eighths is that I can use my fourths and then divide those fourths again into equal parts, 2 equal parts. So on the bottom of the number line, we have eighths. That number line is divided into eighths. From here to here, this shows 1/8, because this would be 2/8, which is equivalent to 1/4, 3/8, 4/8, which is equivalent to half, 5/8, 6/8 is equivalent to 3/4, and 7/8, and then of course 8/8 would equal 1/2. We can see, comparing on this number line, that 1/8 is filling up less space than 1/4. So if we were to fill in our symbol down below here, 1/4, we would read this as 1/4 is greater than 1/8. Now we're going to look at non-unit fractions to compare. So as we can see, we're going to divide the line on the top into fourths again, looking at that denominator to help us. So 4 equal parts on the number line. And this time we're locating 3/4. So here from 0 to right at this point would be 1/4, 2/4, which is the same as half or 1/2, and 3/4. So here's where 3/4 is, and now I'm going to divide the bottom line into eighths. So here we're going to start with our half to help us again, and then fourths, and then we're going to divide each of those fourths in half because we're doubling that amount of equal parts to give us 8 equal parts. So now we have eighths, and we're going to go to 6/8. So here's 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, and 6/8. And as we can see here, 3/4 and 6/8 are equivalent, which means when we compare those two, 3/4 is the same as or equal to 6/8. You will use unit fractions and non-unit fractions to compare using a number line on the next few slides.